through the LMS content with respect to the session 1 introduction and what may be today's class, which is respect to the objectives of advertisement. Okay. So whatever the answers we are getting it, it's the input for your career. So please note down at least the key points. There's no need to write down everything. So whenever we are speaking, we are getting some key points. Okay. Yes. So can you please answer for my question? What video you want to use? To which target audience you want to make a video?
So that depends on the product or service we are focusing on.
What
so basically, let's say if we are
talking about assignment, okay, for your career interest.
Sorry, sir.
For your career interest, okay, you have to work on, not for our assignment.
I won't be focusing directly into advertising as in my career. If I get a chance, then I'll be more focusing on the freelancing where I will be editing videos. I won't be directly focused to it. It won't be my priority to be in advertisement field.
What will be your focus?
So my focus is actually on analysis and stuff in corporate and not directly into marketing.
You are interested in analytics?
Business analysis, you know. Yeah.
Yes. So friends, why we are discussing here is we are using big jargons that we are attracted during the subject and other placements, but we have to understand what it is actually clear. Okay. So if it is analytics means, what are tools you have to learn, Pratik? So don't speak about the subject. Our subject will help you in examine the concept. Unless you walk aside, it won't help you in your career.
Sir, in analytics, basically, we need to know, first of all, there's basics like statistics, so interpretation and stuff. And the tools we will be using mostly is Power BI or Tableau or Excel. And if required, then languages like Python or R.
What are the tools you started learning?
So I started working on Python. I already know Excel. I have done the course, and I'm also learning Tableau, and I'll be doing a course on Power BI.
Okay, so in what area your analytics will be helpful for our advertisement? For example, I'm having advertising agency. In what way you can help me?
So we can work on the customers' behavior and stuff, the trend, and we can understand what is the trend going on and what is the most like thing in the current situation.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Yeah.
So here you can note down. So all can note down the few names. Okay. There is a new word they are using. Okay. In current digital marketing, they are using a word called customer journey. So whenever we walk on to marketing or analytics or advertising, they are saying that we have to understand our customer journey. So we learned about the consumer buying behavior. It starts from identification of customer need, information search, evaluation, buying, post-purchase behavior, etc. This is the consumer purchase behavior. But now they are using a word called for planning anything, for a sales target, for advertising, for making a video, for designing any schemes. You have to understand the customer journey. If you are not a customer, from there you are starting. From there, you are converting into a customer or a person who is interested to see your ad. Then slowly you are making him as a customer. You are retaining him as a customer, making him as a loyal customer, and keep him delighted. So it's a journey. It's a journey. So from the non-customer to the delighted customer, to the loyal customers. So we have to, so from non-customer to satisfied customer. Suddenly, what will happen? Some competitor will come. Some schemes will be coming. He will be diverted. Why he is churning out to the competitor? Why he dropping our product? That is also customer journey. So what they are saying, whenever we are designing anything, speaking anything, even we are speaking 4 P's, please understand about your customer journey. So please start browsing about what is meant by customer journey, how we can analyze. There's a lot of tools required. As said Pratik, in each and every process, we have to do some analysis. And another thing, customer journey is a behavior of consumer. But what we are doing, that is called as customer engagement. If you are not my customer, you are just a public, you are just to switch on the TV, something is coming. what I have to do? If you're opening the newspaper, what I have to do? How I can engage you to see me first, to listen me first. Are you getting the point? You are not my customer, but how I can impress you, how I can influence you to see me. Then, so that is the first part. Then, how I am making you to slowly attracted towards my product. Then how I am making you to learn about my product's ideas. That is, you are making you to make an information search, making you to evaluate with the competitor, making you to try my product first time. Either it may be a sample or a first time. And how I am encouraging you to increase your sales. These are all things called as customer engagement. Yes, you are buying. Suddenly you got stuck. How I can help you? If you have a problem, how I can help you? So it's like a hand holding a child to taking for a walk. It is called as customer engagement. So whenever we are designing about advertisement, please, advertisement means stop thinking about video only. But the important tool is a video, but still stop thinking about video. What are the contents to be added? Why we are adding? That is called as advertising objective. So we have to understand the word called, we have to understand the customer journey. Based on that, we have to make a customer engagement. For engaging a customer in his customer journey, what are the contents I have to give in the advertisement? That only we have to decide. And whatever the content we are giving, how he react, how he behave, for that we need analytics. We are giving an input, he is behaving, we have to analyze. Whenever there is a problem, we have to change. Okay, and another word they are using. So again, I will be splitting the words later. You will be browsing and presenting. Another words, currently they are using a word called a drip marketing. Drip marketing. What normally we will do if you want to make advertisement, we will just make advertisement. We are giving whatever all possible 4 P's, discount schemes, that, these, celebrity, will add everything we will give. But what the company is suggesting, please understand each and every customer need or their customer journey. Some customer may be very much interested on you. He don't bother about your price. Why you are speaking a price to him? Some customer don't want you. Why you are explaining your product? Please say something which is connecting to his interest. Don't speak about the product. Don't speak about anything regarding you. Please try to connect with him. So for each and every customer, we have to drip. Drip means what? We are having a lot of water. We should not waste to watering all the plants. So please understand how much the roots are looking for, how much the plants are capable of. So accordingly, put some water. For example, some plant is looking for more water, means increase the dripping. Some plants may not look for it, lock it and make it as a periodically you have to monitor it. That is called as drip education. So our resource will be limited, but the end customer will get more benefit. So how we can do? So for example, I am putting just your video. Hi, I'm just putting. How you are reacting to this hi? Some people may ignore. Some people may ask, sir, why you put a hi, sir? Some people may ask. Some people say hi. According to your response, I have to design my next attempt. Those who say hi, they are interested. For them, I am putting next one. For the ignoring, I have to design something. They are not interested in personal communication. I have to design something. So for each and everything, I am putting some trick. How they react, I will design next thing. How they react, I have to design trick. So these are the things we have to remember while we are making a small advertising content. Yes. So Pratik, you can move to the next students, and then I will add in between. So friends, today it will go as like your introduction. Parallelly, I will add advertising objective. And last 10 minutes, I will just show the PPT. That's the way it's going. Okay. Yes, please. Pratik.
Yeah, so Thomas is, Thomas, you can take over.
Sir, as of team 1, I will doing the ad content designer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You speak.
I will doing the designing part where we can design according to the interest of the customers.
Who is your customer?
According to the products, we are designing our customers.
What is your product? So hereafter, please don't give vague words. I want to attract my. Who is your customer? Who is your target audience? Why you are keeping them as a target audience? Again, friends, then and there we will be doing some silly activities. For example, yesterday's silly activity is creating your profile in the social sites. Okay, somebody may be having, somebody will be asking why 2 trimester before we started again, this started asking this. So now the thing is for uprising our content. So those who want to have your personal thing, please have personal, don't collaborate. Somebody is not having, for example, for me in ID, I can put anything. I have no prospective customer, whatever I can put, I won't be get disturbed. So if you have some customer, for example, somebody will be doing some modeling, somebody will be doing some business. If you feel that our content will affect the mains, please have another account. Otherwise, you can have the same account. Now what we are going to do later is, then and there we are doing some activity, we are going to post in all the social media. At the same time, we are going to post in all the social media. What will be the reaction? And later we are going to design, if I am going to promote a particular product, which media is suitable, because I have a platform. For example, today assume that you are a 0 follower in all the things. 0 follower in all the things. How you can create? Immediately what will you do? You take your WhatsApp, your LinkedIn, Facebook, you will share to all. Please add, please follow, please add. Okay, so for example, I am giving a task. Dear students, within 5 p.m., all have to add as much followers, as much number of members. What you will do? You will try to get all maximum things. No, what will be the assignment in the corporate, right? They will give the assignment first. So maximum within 2 days, you will try to explore all your possible people, right? 3rd day is your real target. Yes, your own personal contact, everything is over. Now, please create a contact. How will you create? And please create a contact for my product. My product is iPhone. My product is 2,000 rupees worth of MI. I can give any product. Please find my customer. Sir, I'm having a 2,000 followers. They can follow. Whether they will follow my product? No, sir. Please remove them. Are you getting the point? Whether they become my prospective customer? No, sir. Please remove them. So you just try. Later we are going to try with that. Okay. If they are irrelevant, we have to remove. So yesterday I had a conference with a few of the digital marketers. They suggested me, yes, everybody is going on Facebook, everybody is going on LinkedIn, sorry, everybody is going on Instagram, etc. But if you want to move professionally, means we have to go for LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn ads. It is a professional thing. So again, I'm going to give an assignment. Each team will be working on different media. One person is FB, one person like that. We will plan. So yes, we are discussing on LinkedIn ads. So what is the first step? I have, so my objective, so 2 days back I set the objective, in all my social media, I should get 10,000 followers. That is my objective. Whether they are nonsense, whether they are relevant, that is my target I am setting. It is difficult, I am just moving on. LinkedIn, I have a lot of contacts. I have a 8,750. Maybe within 10 days, I will achieve 10,000. Yes, I feel very happy. While I am discussing with the digital marketing, he said, yes, what's your content? My content is about training. My content is about consultancy. My content is about coaching. My content is about mentoring. My content is about research. Fine. This is your career, right? Yes, absolutely. How many followers you are having? 10,000. Yes. If you put a post, how many persons are liking? First question. How many people are commenting? Yes. So I have to do an exercise, and what is suggested to me is, please work on with your LinkedIn. Please try to remove all possible irrelevant followers. Currently, I am not removing. If I remove, I believe I have to remove at least 8,000 followers now. I have 8,750 followers. If I want to work for my objective, my career, I have to remove 8,000 followers. So who is my prospective audience? 750 only. So I worked in 16 organizations. In every 16 organization, I may be having a student, I may be having a salesman, I may be having a sales manager, distributor, etc. But who are all going to help me in my future career? They will be saying hi. They will be saying, hello sir, how are you? Happy birthday, congratulations. They are not prospect for my career. This is a professional way of dealing. Why they are asking? Why we have to clean up everything? For example, as I said, if you are going for an interview, later they will ask, sir, please share your Instagram link, FB link, LinkedIn link. So please, marketing students, please follow that. That's why I'm saying, if you want to clean your social media, clean it. If you want to make a new, please make it. So Whatever job you are applying, if you can say creative, you want to say business analytics, you want to say anything, I am going to just apprise using your social media only. Why? You are using a social media for 10 years. I am asking you about your ambition. I am asking about your vision, objective. You will tell nice stories, very with a pleasant voice. But whether your social media is responding as per your objective. So what smartly we will do? We will clean everything. There will be only 10 followers. Then they will ask whether you are active in social media. So I am active. Then only 10 followers. What will be your answer? What will be your answer? You go for HR, you go for marketing, go for anything. You should have some people to engage, right? If it is not there, means you are not serious. You are not serious. So please build your profile in social media. Respect to your career. That's my request. So whatever it may be, you may be in a finance, you may be in a HR, please maintain it. That is the first task. And again, you should know if you want to trigger something, how I can use it. What will be the content? Yes. So now I just want a response from people. If you want to promote one product, okay, I will be giving only 10 seconds. That means I have time to view only 10 seconds. Whatever the media, you just suggest, how will you pitch your product? Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Joel is in the waiting room.
He joined.
Hi, join, sir.
Welcome, Joel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So students understood the question. We have different option. Put in February, sir. Put in Instagram, sir. Please do email marketing. Please SMS. Whatever ideas you may be having, I have only 10 seconds. Please tell me, each one has to suggest this media is good. Within 10 seconds, I can pitch my idea to you to convince you. Please start.
So right now, as you mentioned itself, like what is in the trend in every social media to get to
I'm
the
not
current
asking
generation.
for explanation, Andrews. I'm not asking for explanation, Andrews.
But I was coming to the point. I was
No,
just saying
please come to the
in
point.
Instagram Reels.
Only 10 seconds.
Okay. So Instagram Reels, sir. The 10 seconds Instagram Reels.
Instagram Reels. Very good. Next.
So YouTube advertisements, YouTube paid advertisements.
YouTube paid advertisement.
So YouTube paid advertisements. Yeah.
So you will use
The
YouTube.
Clubhouse, as it's trending a lot. So
Yes, Angela.
I would say Clubhouse because it's trending a lot right now, and especially youths are very much interested in Clubhouse. So if promoting through Clubhouse, I think it would be a great platform.
Answer is Clubhouse. I will come back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next. Anisha.
I would say Instagram, sir.
Instagram. Yamini. So please remember your social media. In Instagram, how will you promote?
So we'll be creating a different page on the product based, and we'll be first letting the people whom we know, we'll be promoting the people whom we
Yamini.
know, and then we'll be.
Yamini. Instagram is a social media. What tool you will use? Whether will you post, whether you will write, whether you will tweet, whether you will comment, whether you will put video.
We'll be posting the videos and the posters, sir.
Don't say everything. Please specify.
Videos, sir.
Yes.
So we can use Pinterest.
So
for
we can use
posting
TikTok,
now.
sir.
TikTok.
TikTok is banned, dude. Sir, we'll use
Sir,
modes.
the alternative versions.
We'll
Okay. Similar to TikToks. Okay.
Yes.
use modes at the
Instagram story, sir.
Instagram. Okay.
Sir, we can use Google Ads.
In story, what will you put? In story, I can put video. In story, I can post. In story, I can do whatever. Story is also.
Sir, in modes we can create an
And in
hashtag.
Facebook, we can also post, no?
So we can also use Pinterest, sir.
There you are speaking about media. In media, what I have to do? I have only 10 seconds to listen, not for your posting, sir. Please don't tell, sir, I am preparing 10-second video. Sir, I have 10 time only to view. If you are having 10-second video, means I have to click, I have to view, I have to think. I can spend only 10 seconds.
Spotify.
Spotify is the media. What will you do?
Sir, it's compulsory. Spotify has got a lot of ads, which will obviously come and people has to listen for like whatever long it is. So there is a possibility that I can post a small.
That possibility means don't use. It
Sir.
should be. We are not
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
at probabilities. Okay. We have to find out the
Sir.
best. Yes.
Yeah, so for example, if this time I'm posting a small poster, within 10 seconds, everybody will be seeing it because compulsory it will be, the ad will be there until and unless you take the premium, and very few people will be taking premium. So the 10 seconds will be covered with my poster, with whatever content I'll be displaying. That is one media.
In 10 seconds, what
Sir,
you will video?
Sir, we can use guerrilla marketing too. Like in between in an interesting video, we can pitch in our marketing ideas. Like for 5 or 10 seconds, people will see that. Like if the video is interesting, for the 10 seconds, we can use guerrilla marketing or umbrella marketing. So that will be
Guerrilla marketing or concept. I am asking for strategies. Please understand, guerrilla
We can use
marketing a product that competitor is not doing. I'm trying differently. That is a guerrilla marketing. It's not a strategy. Okay. Yes.
so we can use YouTube Shorts also. Like YouTube Shorts are actually getting trendy right now, and we are getting more views, more than even sample YouTube videos. Like minimum 2 million views are there in YouTube Short videos right now. The maximum length is also 30 seconds.
Yes, YouTube short is a mode. What will you do in that short? Whether you will speak, whether you ask somebody to speak, whether you create video.
Sir, we you see the recent trends, sir, especially in the foodie market, sir. Many people have been advertising the restaurants and their dishes in short videos, like 10 to 15 seconds, advertising about the restaurant. So the people are approaching because they are getting less time to see, and they're able to see more content in that time.
Okay. Yes.
Even via Pinterest. So Pinterest is for using and reading blogs. So people, when they Google like tips to like how to design their house or room decor, in that way they involve, like within you reach 20% of the page, they involve they put a advertisement. So you want to subscribe to any channel, you can put a link there. So people will, who's reading the blog will automatically subscribe.
Okay, but please understand, Anisha. So whenever you are going for this type of media, we cannot cover the public. Interesting people, like-minded people only we can give. But if you want to find new people, then what I can do? That is the thought process we have to have. Anyway, yes, others.
Just expanding on what Thomas said, Google ad, but we can make interacting ads. So the ad, when the mouse goes over the ad, it will be interacting. So even if they click just to play with the ad, it will redirect to the web page.
I'm only 10 seconds, sir. I don't want to play with the mouse.
So that's the thing. So in 10 seconds itself, even if they get the interest, the mouse will go there. Just if they click also, it will redirect. It works as a backlink, sir. So the website comes in.
If I'm not having interest,
so
not having interest to click.
So that works. So if you're not having interest, but you still see the visual advertisement because it shows about the company there. It shows about your product or your advertisement there. So if you're an interactive customer, it'll redirect to the website. If not, I got the visual advertisement. So it works in time and click basis.
Okay. Yes. So,
Sir, Instagram story, sir. We create a concept story.
Again,
which everyone want to view.
Is a mode. In story, what will you tell? What will you post?
I'll post a poster, sir, about the product or the company, which everybody want to view.
Okay. Yes. Ms. Pooja, Deepak, Girish.
The Instagram poster.
Yes. Again, I'm repeating. Please understand. Instagram is a social media. Posting is one mode. In the mode, what will you do? I can post videos. I can post some banner. I can post some audio. Posting what? Within 10 seconds. Poster. Okay.
So even influencers, nowadays they're promoting via using the product on YouTube. They have all that. So
Influencer marketing is also another concept like guerrilla marketing. How you are going to influence? What influencer you are going to use within 10 seconds?
To promote our product.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we will ask the help of the influencer to promote our product. Yeah, and as Anish was saying.
Okay.
As in, if you're selling a pen, like if the influencer is a footballer, when he's signing a new contract, we'll ask him to use our pen. It will be a 10-second or 5-second video, but he's using our pen. So our pen gets a recognition.
Fine.
Like that.
Good. So when these type of questions are coming, you have to ask, sir, what is your product? What is your service first? Please don't try to answer instantly. None of the people asked about what's your product. Okay, so if I say you have only 10 seconds, within 10 seconds, you have to pitch in the customer means, first thing you have to think what type of customer, who is the target audience. First you have to know what is the product. Without knowing the product, without knowing the quality of the product, without knowing the market base, if you start suggesting, then you will be out in the market. So please remember the interviews also. They will be asking serious questions. Okay, I will be giving 10 crores to you. You decide whatever you want. What will you do to promote the product? Please ask what is your product. But if you're working for the company means, if you're going for the interview for the particular company means, then you have to know about the entire company. And in specific, sir, you have around 10 different lines and around 100 brands. Which line, which brand you want to focus? Or otherwise, you want to focus for all the companies, sir? Ask question. Whether you want to create, as Thomas said, whether you want to go for umbrella branding. Umbrella branding means you are creating only the company. Coca-Cola, I'm not going in specific. Godrej, I'm not going in specific. Whether you want to create ad for umbrella or you want to specify particular brand. Whether you want to concentrate all the customers or whether you want to focus on particular location, please ask question. Then they will think, okay, you are smart. If you start answering immediately, then they will have query later. You will be wasting 5 minutes in explaining your effort, but finally you will say, I had not told the product, but you are suggesting. You have no target. Okay, so like that the answer will be coming. Okay, so please, this is for your thought process. Whenever we are going to start thinking, first fix your product, then make a SWOT analysis, understand your customer, then start thinking about your media. Forgot the point? So we may be learning different things. Before that, we have to understand the customer journey. For understanding the customer journey, I have to understand what is my product. Forgot the point? Yes. Now we are coming back to the advertising objectives. Okay. So now you can tell any, so you can take 30 seconds. You can take 30 seconds. Even you can browse if you need. Please recollect one advertisement. Please say that, please remember, I will give even 1 minute. Even I can give 1 minute. Please browse any one advertisement. You have to say what is the company name, full name. Don't write it short. Full name. What is the product? What is the brand? You have to choose a one advertisement. You have to say, this is the company, sir. This is the product, sir. This is the brand, sir. And what is the objective of this advertisement? You got the point? Every advertisement has its own objective. Yes, please take 1 minute. I will come back to you. Company, product, ad, and objective of that ad. To explain your answer.
Okay.
I said company, product name, objective. That's it.
Okay. So company. Okay. So objective main thing is just a customer journey. So I'm not getting the right word. That mainly price focused.
Sir, what is the objective, sir? Why you are giving advertisement? Pricing is the element they want to project. They may be saying discount or less price. What is the objective of putting ad? Please think. Angela, Jason.
Yes, sir. So my company is Mercedes-Benz. The brand is the car, and the objective is the advertisement where they show that they at the night they had 60% more.
Angela, Jason.
Yes,
what is the car?
Yes.
Car is a common word. What is the exact model came in that car ad?
So the Mercedes-Benz car.
Mercedes-Benz is a brand name. Mercedes-Benz itself having a n number of different type of segmented customers. This ad focus on which, whether it's a common Mercedes-Benz or particular brand, this particular car model. Yes, again. So you have to think like this. Okay, please continue.
So the objective was showing the advertisement where they showed that they had 60% more visibility at night. the headlights as compared to the other, where they showcased how they kept a cow in front of the car where the light could pass through.
I said 10 seconds. I asked what.
Sir, basically the objective is the exhibition.
Don't narrate the advertisement. I asked what is the objective of outcome of the advertisement? Through this advertisement, what they want to be get response from the customer, or what is the message they want to give?
So that they have the best exhibition headlights.
Whether they want to differentiate from the competitor, whether they want to say they have a very good pricing. What is the objective?
Yes, sir. So basically differentiate from other cars, that they have the best visibility in the lights.
So they are just
headlights.
differentiating from the competitors only from the light. So Benziger, we are buying.
Yes, sir. The main focus of the advertisement was that.
Okay, fine. So please understand, their objectives may not be saying the quality of the light. They want to convey some news to the customers. They may be speaking about the safety. So please understand that objective. Yes, very good.
Okay, yes, sir. Got it.
Fast. 3 seconds.
So is it me?
Yes, Anisha. One Anisha.
No, I didn't hear you. So the advertisement I chose is Zomato. So Zomato being a online delivery platform for food, they recently launched a leaked chat.
Company.
Zomato.
Objective. Yes.
Yeah. So their objective was to to give a 60% sale, 60% off this month, because they're celebrating their 13th month annual.
50% off is a strategy. What is their outcome? What may be the outcome expected?
Sir, they sent out an advertisement where they put a leaked chat of the whole board of directors with the CEO, finance team, marketing team.
Please
Where
do
they having this
the advertisement. I asked, what is the objective in designing that?
So basically, it is the humor, sir. So they wanted to
appeal. These are the content. Humor is the appeal. Dear friends, please understand, while we are designing advertisement, our objective may be, okay, getting a new customer, making the customer happy, differentiate from the competitor. I want to increase the sales immediately. I want to have a long-term customer. I want to emphasize I am a quality person. Like that, there will be one objective will be there. For the objective, we are writing stories. Whatever you people are telling is called as a content of the advertisement. For presenting the content, we may be using different appeal. But my question, what may be their objective? If you browse more, then you can get, but what is your idea? What might be the objective? Increasing the sales? Yes, like that. Yes, your answer.
So it was to increase sales. So they gave 60% off.
Only. What will be the specific objective?
So they gave 60% off on all their orders. So basically they wanted to celebrate, but with their customers. But when the customers know that they get it 60% off, obviously they're going to buy it the whole month.
Okay, thank you. So please think more. Okay, Jacob Matthew, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The ad which I chose is an old ad. The company is Fevicol and the product is Feviquick. The objective they want to convey is that it is the ultimate adhesive. That's the objective.
Message they want to convey is different. For conveying the message, they want to get something back is objective. Yes, please think, Jacob. Yes, Jojo. Jojo is here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, where I taken is Berger Paints.
Okay.
Where they are saying that they are giving 10-year warranty for the product.
Please answer my question. I have only 10 seconds. Your time out. Joel Paul.
Yes, sir. So my brand name is Hindustan Unilever and the product is Surf Excel. So the main objective of the company is to
What's your product, sir?
Sir, Surf Excel detergent, sir.
So Surf Excel is a brand name. Surf Excel detergent soap or detergent powder. You have to be very yes.
Yes, sir. Surf Excel detergent powder, sir.
Okay, powder. Yes.
Yes, sir. So the objective of the brand itself is that unleashing the power of, like, dirt is not a stain that cannot be removed, and through Surf Excel you can clean that. That's why they have this message called "Stain is good." So the advertisement that they try to show that it doesn't matter if your shirt gets stained for a good deed, because in the video itself it shows that how a child helps his grandmother.
Please understand, this is the story. Okay, so Surf Excel identified a theme. They want to differentiate from other customers, other competitors, because all the competitors are saying stain is bad, we are removing, they show the stain as ugly thing. Okay, so they just want to differentiate from others. Yes, that is good. So we will be listening, right? What? That is good. Yes, it's good. Don't worry, it will be removed. So they identified one story. They identified the theme. Or you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Theme, for the theme they are giving a message, but in that particular ad, what will be the objective? That we have to find out. Yes, theme is different, message is different, media is different, story is different, objective is different. For achieving the objective, we are creating this much components. Yes. Mary?
So my brand is Cadbury's, and my product is
Product name? Sorry, company name?
Cadbury's.
Sorry, it's a brand. What's your company name?
So I don't know.
Very good.
I thought Cadbury's was the brand name.
No.
I mean the company name.
It's not it's a Mondelez. So please browse. Okay, you have to understand. Okay, so Cadbury's is a sub-brand. Sub-brands, Cadbury is having many sub-brands. Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes, sir. So my product is Oreo biscuits, sir. So their main their objective in the ad was a daughter and father is sitting, and the father is twisting, licking, and dipping the biscuit in the milk and eating. So it's showing that it's not just for kids. Even they are attracting the adult market also.
Objective, they want to attract adults also.
Yeah.
They want to reach to the adults. So that's it.
Yes.
Yes, Melvin. Melvin is here.
No, sir, absent.
Okay, absent. Mohammed, absent, right? Fine. Pratik?
Sir, Mohammed here, sir.
Here. Okay, you have to make some noise, sir.
No, sir. By the time I unmuted, it was late.
Yes, yes, please.
So my brand name, company name is MDH, sir.
Okay.
And the product is the spices, Thika Lal. And the objective is like they show the company's owner, and they try to promote it as if it's like a law, like from so many years it's there, it's an authentic product, and the things and the processes they use is very traditional and all.
Okay, so we will think. Okay, Pratik, good.
Yes, sir. So the company I chose is Pidilite, and the product is Fevicol. So if you see, if you have already seen the advertisement of Fevicol, it is always very witty and funny. It is in a humorous way. So they try to
Sir, what's your
make sure that. Yes, sir. So their objective is to stay in customers' mind through their advertisement, so that if they go to the marketplace, they only think of Fevicol and buy their product.
Okay, thank you. Sudhakar?
So my company name is PepsiCo, and my product name is Pepsi, and the objective is like in 2012, like after Dhoni winning 2011 World Cup, so he was at the top level. So they wanted to increase South Indian market Pepsi sales. So then they used Dhoni as a brand ambassador for the advertisement, and like dialogue was there in our rascal minded. So that became a meme content that time, and that made popular Pepsi in South Indian. So that stage it was.
What's your objective?
To increase sales in South Indian markets of Pepsi.
That's it. To reach South Indian market. Yes. Thomas Varghese?
So the company name is Nike Incorporation, and the product is athletic footwear. So their objective is to inspire and innovate every athlete in the world and make their brand multinational.
It's already multinational, sir. Yeah. What is the objective in that? Okay, thank you. I will come back to you. Alan Augustine?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
So the company which I have taken is Bharati Airtel, and the product is their prepaid connection. So in the ad, they're showing lots of people joining Airtel, and the objective is to show the message they are conveying that it is the best network connection in India currently.
That's it.
And the objective is to
answer. Over. Hariharan.
So the company that I've taken is Flipkart, and the thing which I want to advertise about the Big Billion Days. So when they are to reach the customer, so that's a target audience.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Mithun. Mithun Thomas.
Yes, sir. The company I have chosen is New York Times, and the product is the newspaper. So the message right now they are conveying is, this is when the journalism matters most. So they are mainly targeting the customers who are fed up with the fake news stories coming in the social media sites, and they are saying that the customers can trust this newspaper.
Thank you. Creating,
and they can subscribe.
Creating trust. That's an objective. Okay, thank you. Thomas Carrier.
Yes.
Sir, the company is Apple and the brand is Mac. So the objective is to get the market share that the Windows have over Mac.
Okay. Thank you. Deepak.
Sir, I chose Amazon advertising, and it's basically for increasing sales and making sure they're aware of the offers. The Great Indian Sale.
Fine. Girish.
Sir, company Pidilite Industry, and product was chemicals and solution. Brand was Fevikwik, and objective is to promote the message of peace and using the theme of bonding.
Okay. Nandan.
So my company is Imperial Blue and the product is whiskey. So the main objective is that men will be men. That is, whatever the other options are there, men will go for the best and cheap product. That is the whiskey, which is affordable by everyone.
What is their objective there? Don't say about your objective. So,
no, sir.
So what is the objective of the ad?
So men will be men. That is, whatever the prices will be
Please, what is the theme?
Sir, I couldn't hear you.
Okay, I will come back to you personally, Nandan.
Sir, can you hear me? Okay, sir.
Pooja?
Yes, sir. The company for India and the brand is Pepsi. So they started last year. So the objective of their ad was to be youth-centric and through a social message that was never be bogged down by social judgment. They want to focus on the youth social message.
Fine. Okay, thank you. Yes, Yamini.
Yes, sir. My company is Daniel Wellington, and the product is Watch. Their objective was mainly to select, influence, and support their brand image. By what they did was they first chose the first place, and Daniel Wellington they just gave the free watch models to select the social influence on Instagram and asked them to post a picture on their personal profile, sir.
Okay, fine. Yes, thank you, students. So please understand.
Sir,
yes, yes.
Sir, I wasn't called.
Yes. Sorry. How I missed. Yes,
okay,
sorry.
So my company was Mercedes-Benz, and the product is G-Wagon. So the ad which I saw was the driver will close a freezer and the glass is broken. But then he gets the food into the G-Wagon, and when he closes the door of the G-Wagon, the glass doesn't break. So the objective here, what they tried to show was the quality of their product.
What quality, sir? What quality?
So the quality of their windows. Their product is even used by army. Yeah, like when he closes the freezer, the window breaks. But then when he comes to the car, the window doesn't break. Like the quality and the productiveness that window gives. That's what they're trying to show.
Thank you. Yes, students. Today we discussed something, but again the theoretical content. So next class, because the last two classes we are having a discussion. Next class I tried to give a theoretical view. Okay, so you understood what is the importance of understanding the objective, theme, message for any ad. Maybe in another discussion, what we will do, or in our activity, what we will do, we take a product, we fix the objective, create the ad. We have to do in a reverse. Okay, for this particular objective, for a particular product, for a particular brand, for a particular company, however ad should be. Okay, and the next class, I want you to explain your objective, everything in 10 seconds. Before that, you have to send a one-page CV. Okay, with respect to marketing, if you are interested in some marketing, please write that I am interested in this type of marketing job, etc. That should be your objective, and write down all your skills related to the particular job. So please make one-page CV. Please send it within today night. One-page CV. The challenge is, in the next class, I will give you only 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, I have to understand the entire resume. You should not waste your time. Are you getting the point? Yes, are you getting the point? So you can use maximum only 20 words. Within 20 words, I should be able to understand your objective, your talent. So you have to choose your words. I have only 10 seconds to listen you. Why I'm saying, while you are creating ad for you, it should be only 10 seconds. If you are creating a product, it should be within a 10 seconds. So I will listen as a customer. Within 10 seconds, you have to explain. So please choose a word, please refine a word and present to me in the next class. You got the point? So that we will relate what are the words we can choose first. Fine. And students, you can go to the LMS now. So after the class, okay. So just to ensure that today's activity and other things, it's understood by you. Are you able to see the screen, friends? So kindly respond. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is unit 1.2. Unit 1.2 objectives advertisement. So please go through the objectives advertising. There's some content will be given. Later we will discuss theoretically. Please go to the discussion forum. Discussion advertising objectives. So based on your understanding, answer it. Okay, write your name, register number, put question number 1, answer if you use in 3 to 4 lines. Don't take more time. Second one, 2 to 3 lines. Third one, 2 to 3 lines. Fourth one, 2 to 3 lines. Yes, fine. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So please respond so that I will understood that what are the learnings from this objective. Then I will connect to this. So please, all of you, please respond. It may take 5 minutes of time. Okay. So thank you. Any suggestions, any feedback, any comments, any criticism, please post me personally. We will connect to the next class. Sorry for taking another 5 minutes. Bye. See you.